Keira is playing in the water. She likes to play in the pool puddle, rain puddle. Look at Keira. Oh, oi, oi, Keira. What are you doing, Keira? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait, no, 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 no. मम्मी आएगी, मम्मी आपको चिल्लाएगी, Keira. पापा पापा कुछ बोलता नहीं आपको. Keira, are you having fun? I think you are having fun. All right, bye. I just say bye, Keira. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Yeah, bye. Say bye. Where are you going, Keira? Again in the water. मम्मी आएगी ना आपको बोलेगी. Look at you, Raja. This is a park. Wow. All right, you need to come out now. Come. Keira, come. Let's go. All right. Say bye. Say bye. Bye, guys. Bye.